Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Training Up Thomas. This is a real quick video on a laundry room makeover I did here at the house that I live in. It's a rental. The landlord gave me the money to buy the floors from Home Depot. It was peel and stick, and it looks just like the regular snap-in wood floors that everybody else is putting in their homes. I have never done the peel and stick before. It ended up working out great. The demo on the floor was kind of frustrating. There was some nasty going on, and I had to get it all cleaned up before I could start laying the floor, but the floor was easy. I used a razor knife. Looking back on some of my odd edges around my molding and my doors and my hot water heater, I wish I would have used scissors. It probably would have saved me a lot of time, but it ended up working out. The floor ended up looking amazing. I made sure I got it really nice and tight. It just adds a completely different feel to my laundry room. I found some leftover Sherwin-Williams gray paint in my shed. I was able to use that for free. I cut real well around my hot water heater since I wasn't taking it out of the room, and I tried to make sure that I put it a little bit behind the hot water heater and all around so it looked really nice. As you can see, this is a completely different laundry room. I really love the way that it turned out. I decluttered in the process. I took things to the shed that didn't belong here anymore. And then I went ahead and spray painted boxes that I had laying around. My neighbor gave me a few extra boxes. My mom gave me a few extra boxes. I spray painted them with $1 black spray paint from Walmart, and it turned out really well. Everything looks nice. It looks very clean, and now this is one of my most favorite rooms in the house. You can see up top behind my door where I don't actually see doing laundry, I put the things that don't match that I didn't want to get eaten by bugs out in the shed. I went ahead and I put my dog things in here. You see that up there. I wanted it out of the way. That's a printer that we don't use. That's everything like that. So this right here, you guys can see that I spray painted my smell good stuff I use in my laundry. I wanted it to all be nice and unique and not those odd colors that are actually on the bottle. I have Purex laundry detergent because it's cheap. I use the Purex Baby because it's cheap, and I just cannot justify spending $15 on Dreft. My fire starter, that's where I put all of my lint. Lint is so good at helping start a fire when it's cold outside. I went ahead and took my tissue paper out of the, crinkly stuff because it didn't match. This was an old little rod that you hang stuff on. I decided I wanted to make it a paper towel holder so I can just come in here and grab paper towels when I need to clean. These are black boxes full of stuff that I use for my dogs. I got their medicine in there. I have their collars that I don't use in there, their treats. I have dog towels. I have everything that you can think of that I need in my laundry room in these boxes. I just have not labeled them all yet. Went to the Dollar Tree, got a nice white hamper. Those are my husband's clippers that I use when I cut his hair when he needs a haircut. I wanted to cover up the outlets in the back, so I hung some gray sheets. Literally, they're not attached with anything. I just hung them over the wire rods, and then you can see I have things plugged in that I didn't want to see as soon as I walked into the room. Eventually, I'll iron them or find a different kind of curtain, but for now, I'm working with what I have. So I have dog food in these Farmhouse buckets. If you didn't know, you can buy these from Farmhouse. It's their old pickle buckets. They're like $3 and some change. It works great. I can take the dog food wherever I need it to go. I've got my vacuum cleaner and everything that I need sitting right there. I wish it was all black and white, but it's not. So I work with what I have. I appreciate you guys tuning in. This was under an $80 project other than the washer and dryer. The flooring was about $66 and some change with my military discount at Home Depot. I had to buy 2 packs. I was about 3 planks short of only being able to use one. And then the paint I found out in the shed, so it really was inexpensive, and it turned out great. So if you guys have any tips or tricks for me, I am all ears. Please email me. Please stop by the blog and let me know what you think.